In this video, we will go over the Create Track Projects tab and the Create Track Events tab of Event Management in FUDSChem. These tabs are used to track progress, identify key team members, and populate the project tracking report. We cover this report in detail in our Project Tracking Report Overview video, linked in the description. Go to Tools, Data, Event Management. Go to the Create Track Projects tab. Most of the information in this tab is populated by your Synectics point of contact. The top section identifies the key team members for the project. Note that the Project Manager dropdown automatically pulls the PM name from FUDSChem. If a PM is not assigned in FUDSChem, then the only option in the dropdown will be TBD. The middle section is used to track the different steps of a project that occur prior to sampling. The final section allows users to enter project-level comments. To add a comment, click Add New Record in the lower left. Type in your comment, choose your comment type, add a comment date, and type in your name as the owner. Click Save Changes in the lower left. Note that in this interface, each section has its own Save button. Be sure to click the one that applies to the section you are updating. Comments will appear in the project tracking report. If you no longer want a comment to appear on the report, change the comment type to Resolved. Go to the Create Track Events tab. This is where you can create a new sampling event and track current events. The top section allows you to name the event, enter the sampling dates, and identify the prime contractor. The other fields can be filled out in order to populate certain reports, such as system-generated COCs. Note that the approval date is automatically filled out when the event is approved in the DUA tool. For more information on the DUA, please refer to our Data Usability Assessment video, linked in the description. Note that the event status must be set to active 10 in order for the event to appear in certain reports and interfaces. To add a new event, you can click Add or Copy. We'll choose Copy. With this option, several details in the gray header box will copy over. We will just want to update the event name and the sampling dates. Be sure to check the event status as well and make sure it is active. Then, click Save. The middle section tracks the different steps of the event. This is typically updated by your Synectics point of contact. The final section allows users to enter event-level comments. This follows the same process we use to add a project-level comment. Note that copying an event here does not affect the subsequent tabs. However, some tabs have their own copy features, which can be used to copy locations, methods, and sample information from one event to another. Please refer to our Event Management Tutorial Part 1 video, linked in the description, to continue learning about the Event Management interface. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.